back to the channel Posh Cats Camping. I'm Trevor and we've arrived at the Cirencester Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and as you can see, the entrance just now was pretty snarled up. We arrived at 1 PM, which is the arrival time, and probably about 6 or 8 other units, most of them towing, were coming down this little lane here, which is shared with the college, and there's work going on, so there's boulders, there's fences, there's cones, and there's pedestrians. Not a very pleasant part of the end of the journey, and least when you need it, when you're tired. However, once you get past those barriers, it's a real joy. This site has really exceeded our expectations. We didn't expect a big site like this. Over 200 pictures, and it's immaculate. The trees, the grass, the hard stands are all perfect. There's 2 major facilities blocks with everything you need in them. There's laundry, and there's showers, there's toilets, there's washing up facilities, you name it, it's there. Let's go and have a little walk around the site. Again, going to be careful to protect people's privacy and you know, not poke the camera into Caravan and Motorhome windows. However, we'll have a little look around and see what it's like. And there's a great dog walk area as well. The usual late night arrivals area at the entrance, and the wardens are about with their tractors already, and a really pleasant reception area. that you expect to see from the Caravan and Motorhome Club these days. This is the area where we were all parked and shuffled our way through into the barriers here. Now you do have a key fob or a card which you need to swipe in and out. This is the entrance barrier, and I do like these additional flower boxes and the logo. Always gives you a warm welcome, and you feel good when you see one of those. You know you've arrived. The information hut over to the right here is currently closed due to the COVID restrictions. We're hoping at the end of the month we might see that open up, and all the others on the network. And also there's an area here where we are likely to see a takeaway or two. There's several, I think there's one, at least one, if not two, maybe more, that come here of an evening, and you can get a meal, takeaway meal, from a mobile unit. There's little dog waste bins and there's little dog walks all over this park. You don't have to go to the main one if you want to exercise your dog or toilet your dog. You can just go in one of the little ones. But as you start to see, lots of mature trees, and in the background there, one of the facilities blocks as well. So to compare the previous site we were on, the Moorhampton Club site, here's a map of the pitches. There's 46 pitches at Moorhampton, and you can see, if I show you the Cirencester Park, here there's over 200 pitches. It's a much bigger site. Children's playground. Now we come to the doggy walk area with the gates that you need 2 hands for. This first little bit, you think, oh, that's a nice little doggy walk area, and then before you know it, lots of nice things to sniff about here. Dogs don't want to go any further. Here we go. The field really opens out into a big area, and all of this is enclosed so you little doggies don't escape. As you can see, and over on the right hand side here, there's even a nice bench. Fantastic. There's another gate at this end of the field. One of the things we like about this site is the depth of the grass pitches, and also the hard stands. There's space behind a lot of them, and there's these nice thick hedgerows, as you can see, which really splits up the roadways all the way around the site. It's really well established, and the trees and bushes are really mature. Chemical waste point, along with drinking water and wastewater and bins. There's several of these service points around the site. This is the facilities building at the back of the site. There's 2 of these large buildings, all very modern, and again next to one of the service facilities. And this one's also got motorhome service points as well. If you like the shade from the trees, this part is quite a shady part of the site. This is one of the little dog areas that you can just toilet your dog rather than walking right down the site to the other end where the big field is. And then this really large building here, again with motorhome service point in front and all the facilities that I described earlier.